Alright, so in one of these videos, I said working for free to get an IMDb credit is a waste of time and it's bullshit. And to a certain extent, that's true. But IMDb itself is a legit program, and that if you want to be a professional actor, you do have to be up on IMDb Pro. So there's a right way to do IMDb and a wrong way to do IMDb. When I started acting, the idea of being on IMDb just seemed so big. Like, oh wow, I'm on IMDb. Like, oh man, I got these credits. And I never really knew how, to do it. How do you get these credits? Like, do you have to do it? Does somebody have to add them for you? Like, is this like a special thing? Like, how does it work? So, one of my friends told me that you can just do it yourself. Like, you can just add yourself to whatever project you worked on. So I went and added myself to all the projects I did. And initially when I did this, I was new to the game, and I think I added myself to a couple projects where I was background, and that is a no-go. Like, do not do that. Do not add yourself as background. It's going to make you look like a background actor. It's going to it doesn't look good for you. Trust me, I understand some of you guys are working background. You're working at it every day. You're working at it super hard. That's good. You got to make your money, but do not put it on IMDb. If you do it, you're going to get stuck as a background actor. Because as soon as people open up that resume and they see every single credit is background, it doesn't look good. So it's also very difficult to delete these credits. Once you get them up there, they're probably going to be there forever. So just don't fuck up your resume. So let's say you did work on a couple films where you did have a speaking line, and you would like to add yourself to IMDb and get those credits and just start building your resume. So what you need to do is go to imdbpro.com. I think they give you 1 month free. Otherwise, it's like $20 a month. And after you join, you'll have your own IMDb page, where now, if you search your name, you'll be in the database. So that's the first step, is to just sign up, upload your photos, upload your video, and just go and search for all the films you've been in. And just at the bottom of the page, it says edit, where you can edit the page and you can add yourself for whatever role you had. And then usually if it's all good and you were in that film, it gets approved, and then within a week or two or whatever, on your profile it's going to show that you have that credit and that you were in there. So another thing is the star meter, and I see so many actors making a big deal about it, and everybody's trying to click each other's page and share it on Facebook, and they start spamming it in your face. And I'm here to tell you that star meter doesn't mean shit. Nobody cares about it. Whenever a casting director looks at your page, they don't care about your star meter. That thing is so easy to cheat. The one thing they're looking at is your headshot and your credits. They want to see if you look like the role they're casting. That's what they're looking for. Your star meter, it doesn't mean shit. So don't waste your time on your star meter. Just save yourself the time. I know IMDb also has their own breakdowns where you could, submit to different projects. I've tried this on dozens of projects where I've submitted to them. I've gotten an email or two from different casting directors, but nothing really ever went anywhere. I've never actually gotten an audition off IMDb. That's just my story. I've never actually had success with it. Most of my stuff came off different websites like Actors Access, Casting Networks, Backstage. You can check out my other video for that. So many people swear by IMDb and they say you gotta be on there, you gotta have all these credits, you gotta have your headshots. And at the same time, I personally know actors, including myself, where at times I had nothing up there, or their credits were completely blank, or they only had one photo where their photo was blank, and they still got called in for the auditions, and they still got seen for whatever. And they even booked a job, and their IMDb was blank. So basically, IMDb is good to have just because it establishes an online presence for you. And when people search you up on Google or whatever, IMDb is always going to be on top. So it's just kind of social presence, and it makes you look like a professional actor. It's good to have. I would only recommend it if you're at a point in your career where you are constantly auditioning for principal speaking stuff. If you're not there yet in your career, don't waste your money on IMDb. Just work on your craft, work on building up your resume, and just work on yourself. You'll get there. Just keep it consistent. But at the end of the day, I'm just here to tell you that IMDb is not a big deal, and just go out there and make it happen. Hope you enjoyed. Just stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to just keep pumping them out. Till next time.